If you are Onyxcoin holders, you could see big rises on March 3rd. Watch till the end so you don't miss anything. Before March 3rd, let's find out what's next for Onyxcoin. Stay tuned. There is a falling trend line running down from the top of the chart. This trend suggests that the price has been under pressure for some time and has been facing selling pressure on every bullish attempt. However, in case this trend breaks to the upside, we could see buyers gaining strength and sellers weakening. If the price manages to break above this falling trend line, it would be an important breakout in terms of technical analysis. In such a case, traders' confidence may increase, which could lead to a rapid upward movement of the price. And retesting after breaking it gives us a confirmation. On the chart, there is a rising trend line running upwards from the bottom. This trend shows that the price continues to move upwards with support from a certain level. Maintaining this trend is very important for the uptrend to continue. Currently, the price is close to this rising trend line, and there is a high probability of a reaction here. If the price touches this trend line and gets an upward reaction, a new bullish wave may start. If volume purchases come in, we will see a bullish rise. There is a strong bullish order block just below the price on the chart. Order blocks are critical levels where big players and institutional investors buy heavily. Such areas are usually where the price finds support and reacts to the upside. Right now, the price is very close to this bullish order block. If there is a strong reaction from here, we may see buyers stepping in and trying to push the price up. Professional traders may be looking at this area as a place to buy. There is a bear order block at the top of the chart. Bearish order blocks are known as areas of heavy selling by big players and institutional investors. These levels often form strong points of resistance, and when price hits them, pullbacks can occur as sellers step in. Looking at the recent price action, we see that the price touched this bear order block and fell back with selling pressure from here. If the price tries here again, it will be more likely to break it. In the Elliott wave theory, every market movement is divided into specific waves, and these waves move in a successive pattern. In the current situation, the first and second waves have been completed, and the third wave is about to begin. This third wave is often the strongest and most pronounced because the market is driven by a large audience at this stage. The third wave needs to reach a Fibonacci minimum of 1,618. And remember that the third wave comes suddenly. Looking at the chart from a distance, there is a W pattern formation. This pattern is often seen in an asset that is in the process of bottoming out and rebounding, signaling the start of a strong uptrend. The W pattern is formed by two lower lows and a higher high between them. This actually indicates that the market first experienced a decline, but then started to recover. In the current situation, we are at the second low. This shows that the pattern is starting to complete. After the second bottom, the price should start to recover and move upwards. If it can break the neck point, the rise will be hard. On the chart, there is an ascending channel structure. Such structures usually show that the price is rising within a certain range and moving between support and resistance levels. The channel structure means that the price is moving with an upward trend, but encountered resistance at a certain level. In this case, the price touched the middle band twice and fell back both times. This suggests that the price met resistance at the mid-band level and experienced a correction downwards from that level. If it tries this time as well, its chances will be higher. Looking at the Bollinger Band, there is a move above the upper line and back down. This suggests that the price has entered the overbought zone and a profit realization or correction is taking place here. Usually, when the price moves towards the upper line of the Bollinger Band, the market is overheated and a pullback is more likely. In the current situation, the price is moving towards the middle band. The middle band is the 20-day moving average of the Bollinger Band and usually represents the equilibrium level of the market, and the price will look for a reaction from the middle band. On the MACD indicator, there was a lower crossover, and the MACD rose along with the price. This is an important signal that positive momentum has started and the price is rising. A rising MACD signals that the trend continues strongly and the price may continue to rise. But in the current situation, the MACD is necked at the top. This can be interpreted as a turn signal. The MACD at the top could indicate that the market is starting to enter the overbought zone, and there could be a correction. However, it is possible for the MACD to rise again for a second bullish wave. If the MACD crosses upwards again, it means that a second uptrend is starting. There is an uptrend on the RSI indicator. This trend signals that the price is showing a strong bullish movement, and that the positive momentum continues. Currently, the RSI has touched the lower boundary of this uptrend. This kind of situation usually indicates a scenario where we expect the price to take support from here and move higher. When the RSI touches the lower boundary of an uptrend, especially when used in combination with trend lines, it can often move upwards again. If the RSI gets support from here, it will rise with the price. On the Vortex indicator, we can say that the blue top is bullish and the red top is bearish. In the current situation, since the red line is on the upper side, it is bearish and the market is generally moving downwards. However, there is one important point. If the blue line crosses to the upper side, then the uptrend will start. So when the blue line crosses the red line, it means that the positive momentum has started and the uptrend has begun. Looking at the 200 EMA, the price last tried to break above the 200 EMA but failed. So the price struggled to break through this level and pulled back. However, the important thing is that the price breaking above the 200 EMA is actually an important step for the uptrend to continue. If the price breaks above the 200 EMA, it needs to retest after that. That is, once the price crosses the 200 EMA, it should retest this level and find strong support and hold there permanently. If this retest is successful, the long-term uptrend has started. And in a post shared on XCN's X page, it states that XCN is listed on the CXIO platform. This is a very positive development for XCN because CXIO is a large and trusted cryptocurrency exchange. Such listings can often be one of the factors that trigger a rise and increase volume. Being listed on CXIO allows XCN to reach a wider audience and can help increase trading volume significantly. This, in turn, could bring in more investors. According to XCN's tweet on the X platform, the March 3rd date and the mainnet announcement that will take place on this date are of great importance for the future of the project. Since the mainnet is when any crypto project starts operating on a real network, this development could unleash XCN's potential even more. In its tweet, XCN not only provides information about the mainnet's launch, but also aims to excite its community, with more information coming soon. This could be a critical opportunity for investors and users. Because with the activation of the mainnet, XCN's blockchain technology is expected to become more secure, fast, and transparent. This could increase the platform's credibility and attract more users and investors. XCN is reaching this milestone with a number of important milestones on its roadmap behind it. This shows that XCN's teams and technology are developing strongly, and that serious work is being done on the project. Developments like these could make XCN more attractive to investors and increase community support. Another important point is that in the period after March 3rd, as more information becomes available, interest in XCN is likely to increase. Positive developments about the project could also lead to price increases. The XCN team continues to develop the coin at full speed. I was happy to see such a development. Yes, friends, I hope you liked the video. If you subscribe and like the video, more videos will come. Good earnings to everyone.